Hi guys, today I bring you a demo of a text-based terminal game I created when I was first learning how to program. This was the first somewhat serious game I ever tried to create, and it was not an assigned project. I created it just because I wanted to. I programmed the vast majority of this game during a 14-hour programming marathon, after which I made a few tweaks here and there over the next couple days. Within the game, it's the year 2012, and with the invention of AI, computer-controlled robots emerged like a new species, evolving faster than we could ever imagine, marking the end of the world as we know it. Today, they have captured you and pitted you against an endless onslaught of killer robots. Your objective is to kill every robot within each arena they throw you into. Each arena gets progressively larger and more populated with baddies. Within this arena, you are the smiley face, and the shaded spaces are piles of junk. Game input consists of entering command strings such as UL to move up and to the left. The commands are detailed at the bottom of the screen. A total of 6 different types of robots can be found in these robot games. The Omega robots are the most basic robots you will come across. They will advance one space towards you each turn. However, they are stupid and reckless, and you can kill them by leading them to collide into piles of junk, or the robots in their bloodthirsty rage. F-bots are upgraded versions of Omega bots, increasing their speed, causing them to be able to advance 2 spaces towards you each turn. They can be killed by leading them into walls and other robots. Angstrom bots are smart, devilish bots. They have the ability to hunt down the player pathing through mazes of junk on the shortest path to your blood. They avoid crashing into walls and other robots. Luckily, you have a couple of weapons at your disposal to take care of these advanced models. The first weapon you have is your trusty rifle. This can be fired up, down, left, or right, and will kill the first robot it hits. The second weapon at your disposal is a Nova Pulse that has the ability to destroy all robots in any of the 8 spaces surrounding the player. The fourth robot you can come across is the Yen bot. These guys are faster versions of the Angstrom bots and have the ability to move 2 spaces each turn. They too avoid junk piles and other robots. However, these guys are extra smart and they will stay out of Nova range until they can move in for the kill. Thus, they will never move right next to you, and you have to take them out at range with your trusty rifle. In each arena, there is also a tiny elusive Z-bot. Unlike all the other robots, this guy will run away from you, and he is extremely hard to catch. However, if you do manage to catch up to and dispose of him, this will yield massive points and an extra life. The final robot you can come across is only known as the Big Daddy. These formidable opponents are reinforced versions of Yen bots, allowing them to take multiple shots before they finally fall. They are represented by a number corresponding to their current armor rating and the number of shots needed to take them down. Also, remember that if you move to a junk pile, the immobile robots trapped within will not hesitate to end you. In this post-apocalyptic era of robot-human gladiator games, the robots have developed a portal gun that has the ability to instantaneously teleport you to a random empty location within the arena. To make things interesting, the robots have supplied you with one of these fascinating devices. It can get you out of some pretty nasty situations as a last resort. However, with the development of this portal device, the machines managed to destabilize the fabric of space. As a result, portals randomly tear open in the arena. These are the tiny circles that randomly appear. Moving into a portal will teleport you to a random empty location within the arena, thus closing the portal behind you. You acquire various amounts of points for disposing of different robots, and are awarded an extra life for every 10,000 points you acquire. If the robots catch up to you with 0 lives, it's game over. One thing to note is that if any of the smart bots cannot find a way to get to you, they will move toward the nearest portal tear for a chance to become close with you. Each arena is randomly generated, and every 5th level is a boss arena filled with Big Daddies. Level 5 has 2 Big Daddies, 10 has 4, and so on. That concludes this Robot Crush demo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I wish you great gaming.